So next concept is projection of block on rough inclined plane. And a projection of block on rough inclined plane. In last video, okay, body sliding down on rough inclined plane. But here, your body is moving up the plane. It is projection of block on rough inclined plane. A block is projected up with velocity u from bottom of the plane. After reaches the top, its velocity is 0. Here velocity given u. After traveling L, final velocity is 0 boss. It goes to top, or it can stop anywhere. Okay, I am taking here block is reaches to top. Final velocity is 0. When block is moving up, force is acting on this block. What forces? Actually, already you know mg sin theta. Mg sin theta. The mg cos n. You know mg sin theta at direction downwards. How is friction? In last video, when block is moving down, friction upwards. Here block is moving up. When block is moving up, friction direction is downwards. Okay, boss? In last video, when block is sliding down, mg sin theta downward direction, friction is upward direction. Here block is in motion, so friction is kinetic friction. Okay. Here block is moving up, and we are projected the block. Okay, we are pushed the block from bottom with velocity u. Now opposite to motion of the block. Opposite to motion of block, what are the forces now? Mg sin theta always downwards. Now friction acting downwards. Okay, now total opposing force. It is called total opposing force on block. Okay, total opposing force on the block is F is equal to mg sin theta plus kinetic friction. Here block is in motion, that's why friction is kinetic. Now this force value m into a. Why minus a? Here block is not accelerating. Here block is in retardation. And while going up, its velocity gradually decreases and becomes 0 at top. The velocity decreases. So here acceleration, it is not acceleration, it is deceleration or negative acceleration. M into minus a. Mg into sin theta. Newton's second law, F equal to ma. Always substitute force value ma. Kinetic friction formula mu k into normal reaction. Kinetic friction formula mu k into n. What is normal reaction formula? Mg cos theta. Here mg cos normal reaction. See last video. Okay, both sides mass cancel. Now negative acceleration or retardation. Retardation is equal to minus. So g sin theta plus mu k g into cos theta. This is the formula for retardation of block. The retardation A is equal to minus g sin theta plus mu k into g cos theta. It is the negative acceleration or retardation or deceleration. Deceleration. Okay, or negative acceleration. Now from equation v square minus u square is equal to 2as. V square minus v square is equal to 2as. Okay, boss? V final velocity 0. U initial velocity u square is equal to 2 into retardation minus, so g sin theta plus mu k g into cos theta into L. Both sides minus minus cancel. Therefore, u is equal to under root of 2 into g L into sin theta plus mu k into cos theta. This is the velocity given to the body at the bottom of the plane. Okay, it is velocity given at the bottom of the plane. U is equal to 2gl into sin theta plus mu k cos theta. So next concept, okay, time of ascent. Time of ascent. The time taken by a block to reach bottom of the plane is called time of descent. But here block is going up. Time taken by the block to reach top of the plane from bottom is called time of ascent. It is called time of ascent. To calculate time of ascent, again we have to apply the formula. S is equal to ut. Don't take this. Formula V is equal to U plus AT. Okay. Take formula V equal to U plus AT. Then from this formula, okay, V is equal to U plus AT. What is the V? Final velocity 0. Okay. 0 is equal to initial velocity U. Acceleration is negative. It is negative acceleration. What is time taken? To reach top of the plane, what is time taken value? Time of ascent. Actually, in a time of ascent, and if t